How to add a cinematic slow zoom in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Capcut application on your device and select a project that you want to add a cinematic slow zoom to. So here I've already selected a project and let's select a specific area or specific seconds or time where I want to add a cinematic slow zoom to. So for example, if I want to add a slow zoom effect on this area over here or this particular timing, then I'm going to tap on the video and the specific area. Then I'm going to see the effects option over here at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that, then tap on video effects, and on the search bar just search for slow zoom. So here you'll be able to see the slow zoom options over here. You can just add any of one that you are more comfortable and more convenient for you. Then you can see the effect over here by going to the main video over here, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.